Hey, welcome back to another video. It's good to have you back in the studio. If you're thinking of selling on Amazon, now is the best time more than ever, all right? The coronavirus has hit. People are losing their jobs. It's a very dire situation right now. People are losing their jobs. They're losing their livelihood. People are in need of working from home. Now has never been a better time to actually start something from home, to start a business working from home. So if you've been thinking about starting something on Amazon, but you've sort of been putting it off, not too sure what product to sell, maybe not too sure of the steps involved, you need to do something now. It's never been a better and more important time to actually get something listed, because you never know how long this virus is going to last. It could be 6 months, right? It could be a year, it could be 2 years, right? The economic downturn, the flow-on effects from something like this, and the travel industry is going to be crushed for the next year, all right? A year and a half, right? It's going to be crushed, right? Flight centers are shutting down all their stores. You got retailers. Retailers are going to be crushed as well. People are not going to flood back to shopping centers as soon as this is over. I guarantee that, because the shops will eventually have run out of money, and there's going to be no one there to service them, right? So it's going to take time. It might be a year. So more people will be shopping at home. They'll be shopping online. More people are going to be used to spending money online. This is why you need to get something started on Amazon. So if you've been sort of thinking about, what do I sell? What products are doing really well right now? I'll tell you what, most of my students get involved in homewares, baby products, baby supplies. They've got pet supplies, pet products, right? Personal use products, so bathroom products, kitchenware, some appliances, very simple products, right? We focus on simple products, lightweight products that are easy to get up and running. We've even got some more advanced people that get on more advanced sort of products, but a lot of them are small and lightweight things you could fit in a shoebox. This is my parameter. This is what I teach. And I would love to help you get something started on Amazon. So if you're still thinking about it, guys, you really need to do something now, because like I said, it's only going to get worse. You never know how long it's going to last, this particular virus, right? Some people think, it might be over next week, right? Well, I highly doubt that. But if it is over next week, then things aren't going to go back to normal, right? It might be 6 months, it might be a year before things actually get back to normal. So now is a time to actually do something. We've got a free training. Below this video, there's a link. I would love to see you on the training. I talk more about the virus. I talk more about the best products to sell right now. I show you what the top 10 products right now that are selling right now. And I show you and prove to you that working from home and working from a safe place where your family there, you're there, and actually starting a business doing that is actually the best thing you do. But you need to do something now. It's never been more important than it has been right now. Have a great day. Talk to you real soon. Don't forget, the video is below this link. It's a free live stream. I would love to see you on the live stream. Have a fantastic day. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.